2781 Tea Garden. It's a roll-up door, front entryway, parking lot, striped with handicap spot. New front door, office/showroom area, private office. This is temperature controlled heating and air conditioning in this office area. Private office. Now back out to the warehouse area. Through the door. 2 restrooms. Right here. Warehouse area. 4 skylights. See that offices have a window onto the warehouse. 14-foot clear height roll-up door. And then a panoramic of the warehouse again. Back door goes right out to a small yard area which has freeway signage access. And there you have it.